Hi folks, this Nissan Micra is having a basic engine service. The oil filter is at the back of the engine and I usually remove the filter and drain the engine oil while I do other work on the car. The drain plug is a 14mm size. The air filter lid has already been removed and there's the new air filter going in and the lid going back on. Now the lid has to go on this way with the thick part facing the right hand side of the car and the thin part facing the left hand. Now we lost the video clip of us taking the spark plugs out, but here we are putting them back in, and the spark plug tool is a 14mm. The spark plug caps just click into place. Topping up the coolant, just fill it up to the mark on the bottle, not all the way up to the neck, and checking the brake fluid is clean and up to the level. Now refitting the drain plug, the oil drain plug, and putting some grease on the new oil filter rubber helps to seal it better. This is the filter going back in. I'm just double checking to make sure it's tight. Putting in the new engine oil, and these Micras take just over 3.5 litres. I usually put 3.5 litres in, then dip it, see what the level is like. Now it just needs a small bit more, another cupful of oil, after which you just start the engine, let it run for a few seconds to circulate the oil. Dipping the oil again, and remember to push the dipstick all the way in when checking the oil level. That looks good to me. That's all folks, thanks for watching.